Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimik at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng iisang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong. Kahit na anong mangyayari, kahit na saan ka man patungo, ngunit ngayon kay bilis maglaho ng kahapon. Sana'y huwag kalimutan ang ating mga pinagsamahan. At kung sakaling kipitin ay laging iisipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan.
She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun.
They heard you living life like a star. You're making money, living life on the road, and everybody knows who you are. Open man, number one at the top. Life change, welcome to the life you never had it all. Big shot, you the man, number one at the top. Life change, welcome to the life you never had it all. From the
Con los terroristas.
They do the Harlem Shake.
Pag-uusapan ka na lang pinag-aawayan. Ngunit kahit madalas na di tayo magkasundo, ikaw na ang gusto kong makapingin sa buong buhay ko. Sinasampal mo ako sa sinusipat na susugatan ko. Ikaw pa rin, walang iba. Gusto ko makasama. Walang iba.
Ang ating huling sandali, di na tayo magkakamali, kasi wala nang bukas. Sulitin natin, ito na ang wakas. Kailangan na yata nating umuwi.
Hawakan mo aking kamay bago tayo maghiwalay. Lahat-lahat ibibigay, lahat-lahat. Paalam sa ating
Pick you up when you're down, be there when no one's around. When you're in unfamiliar places, count on me through life's changes. I'm in tune with how you feel. Everything about this is real.